Today, I only demand for a piece of peace. And I ensure you that I will give you a great Pakistan, developing Pakistan, flourishing Pakistan, progressive Pakistan, strong Pakistan, secure Pakistan, and an exemplary Pakistan. The universal meaning of peace defines a state which provides inner satisfaction and which has in turn its positive influence on the outer environment. But in our country, it is flying in our dreams and had been created a dilemma. Uncertainty, insecurity, instability, inequality, dishonesty, disintegrity, and suppressibility have damaged our positivity, ability, creativity, majority, productivity, and sigma of thoughts. Mr. President, are you ready to give me peace and enable me to give you a great Pakistan where if I am going to school and then terrorists come and open uncountable fires at me and I am died? Just like happened at Army Public School, Peshawar, where if I am going to mosque to pray and then a suicider comes and attacks and my parents receive my dead body, just like happening in all over the mosque in Pakistan? Where if I am traveling in a bus and then my brain eats the bullets and again I'm finished, just like happened at Safura Chorangi, Karachi, where if I'm serving for a few pennies in a factory to support my parents and again I'm burned and died without any reason just for the sake of bhatta, where if I am serving as a guard in the borderline of my country and my chest receives the shells and missiles and again I'm blown into pieces and just titled as Shaheed and my history ends? And last but not the least, where if I make my country a nuclear state being an engineer and scientist, I am being rewarded with detention and kept behind the bars? Just like happened with Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Mr. President, would you please give me peace to get great Pakistan? Oh my Lord. Sir, at present, the gravest problem that Pakistan is facing is terrorism. It had become the headache for the Federation and a nightmare for public. Though it is a global issue, but Pakistan has to bear the brunt of it. For Pakistan, the consequences for being the epicenter of war and terror have been disastrous. Physically, psychologically, and economically. Nobody understands terrorism better than Pakistanis. It had badly affected the socio-economic development of Pakistan. And lest we forget the sacrifice of Etizaz Hassan which he gave while preventing a suicide bomber from entering his school at District Hangu 2014, 6 January. Mr. President, where is the peace? Would anybody give me peace? Anybody? It had badly affected Pakistan on fighting the war for peace. Rahe Rast, Rahe Nijat, Zarbe-Azb and Rangers operations in Karachi are the examples before you. Mother Teresa said lovely words about peace. That if we have no peace, it is because we have forgotten that we belong to each other. Mr. President, let me tell you, peace begins with a smile. Peace is the mother of progress. Peace is the mother of legends and peace is the mother of eternity. Yes, Mr. President, yes, if peace begins with a smile, then it starts with me. I am the sign of peace. I am the soul of peace. I am the fate of peace. And I am the gravity of peace. You would have to save me. I will give you secure Pakistan. You would have to flourish me. I will give you flying Pakistan. And you would have to grow me. And I will give you a great Pakistan. Pakistan, Zindabad. Pakistan, Pahindabad.